Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to discuss how you can create a hoverable drop down. Okay, so before starting onto the hoverable drop down, I would like to tell you what is hoverable drop down. Okay, you can see a word, and if you click on that word or if you keep your mouse onto that word, then automatically you will get a drop down list, which means there will be one or more items in that list. Okay, so this is known as a hoverable drop down. So first of all, I am going to use a div class which is taken for the drop down. Okay, so now let's create it. The next one is, let's give a span which is set to be like, let's take it to be courses. Okay, so again inside the courses, what you need to give the drop down, right? So again we are going to create another div which is known as a drop down content. Okay, inside which what we are going to do, we are going to give our list of things. Okay, so now I am going to give inside the courses, let's give like dancing. Okay, martial arts. This is completely using the CSS. Okay, so that's why now it just looks like something like this, right? But we are going to position it and then make it more beautiful. Okay, so now here you can just give dot drop down, which is for this class. First of all, we are going to give a CSS in such a way that let's give the position which is set to be relative, and let's display it. Okay, let's give it to be inline block. Okay, now let's give a font size that is much bigger. Okay, font size to be 20 px. Got it? So this is how we set the drop down first. The next thing is, let's give the drop down content. Okay, so let's give the drop down content, and inside which you have to give something like display none. Okay, so now that is not visible, right? Position absolute. Let's give the minimum width which is 160 px. Now a box should be coming. Okay, so let's give the box shadow which is set to be 0 px, 8 px, 16 px, 0 px, and RGBA to be 0.2. Okay, so this is how your box will be. Now let's give the padding which is 12 px and 16 px. Okay, now lastly let's give the z index which is set to be 1. But now you can see that after hovering you are not able to see any drop down, right? For this, what you have to do, you have to give drop down is to hover. What should happen? Your drop down content should be visible. So let's give drop down content. Okay, let's give display block. So now here you can see that you are, once when you just keep your mouse pointer over here, you are able to get your drop down list, right? So if you want it to become like a button, what you can do, first of all, let's give a background color. You can choose any color. I'll be choosing it to be rosy brown. Let's give a padding to be 10 px. Okay, let's give the color to be white. Okay, so automatically it looks good right now, right? So now again what we have to do, we have to give it a border radius. Okay, just give border radius which is like 5px. Got it? So now you are getting it right. So now after each of them you want a line to be separated. So for that let's use the tag called HR. So here HR is going to draw a line in between the two paragraph tags. Okay, so now this looks good. So now if you want to move this box a little more lower, what you can do, you have to give padding top 10px. So now it has not moved. Let's give margin top to be 10px. Okay, so now it's okay, right? Got it? So this is how you create a hoverable dropdown using CSS. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.